Take care, guys.
See you, Usman. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Hey, what's a PDR from what Mike was talking about earlier?
Production, Mike. She's asking you to describe your PDR, your production.
What does it stand
Oh,
for?
not it's
The
was it
production doc, the documentation for your production.
yeah, it's the documentation before you actually
It's like a
uh
development phase.
PRD. So
Mhm.
PRD.
what does it stand for?
I looked it up too, and I was like, "What's
I'm like, I can't.
PDR? I've
Yeah,
never
I
heard of it."
Googled it and I'm like, I'm in Spain, so
It's a
half the shit comes up in Spanish for
Product
PDR.
oh,
product
it's a
research document.
Product research
So
Ah,
yeah,
document.
it's
Okay.
basically it's gonna be like your roadmap for what you
it's
want to do when
yeah,
you actually
yeah.
build. So typically, what I do is I'll spend a ridiculous amount of time working on. Well, first off, you just start slinging ideas at Claude,
Yep.
and then once you kind of whittle the things down and you go, okay, yeah, this looks like and do this in planning mode. You'll save yourself
Yep.
a shitload of tokens.
Yep. Yep.
So do it in planning mode, um, and
In
just like I
cowork
said,
or in chat? Planning
Uh,
mode.
because
well,
Interesting.
chat.
chat's actually really good. If you start in chat, it's even easier because I'm typically always on VS Code, which I mean it's just an IDE, but I mean I'm using Claude Code, and Claude Code by default wants to do
Yeah,
something.
yeah. It's
So
constantly. Yep.
yeah, so if you're in Claude Code, absolutely you have to be in planning mode. If you're just in the browser, just talk to it and kind of plan things out. And then when you get to a point where you're like, oh, I like the direction this is going, ask it to give you a prompt to use for Claude Code to start your
Yep.
PRD.
Yep.
So you say, hey, give me a prompt for Claude Code for a PRD. And it'll give you this big, long, and then just copy and paste that into Claude Code and make sure somewhere in there it says, ask me any questions you don't understand or ask me questions for clarification, whatever. But you don't want Claude to just build it and forget about it.
Yeah.
You want to keep this an active process because, again, for as smart as the, Fable and all of these are, they're actually really fucking dumb. And it's
Yeah.
our job to keep them on the rails and going in the direction we want, not the direction they think they want us to go. And
Mhm.
if you just let Claude go, Claude will direct you, and you
Yeah.
don't want that. So keep it very active. But yeah, start your planning with just having a chat with Claude, desktop, cowork, whatever you want. Don't put it into work mode. Don't put it into code mode. And
Planning mode right off the bat, like you said.
yeah,
It must be in
planning
a
Cowork.
mode.
drop down. I just haven't seen this planning mode
If
button.
if you now you just tell it, Christine. You just tell it when
Oh, you
you.
just
The
tell
first
it.
thing you say is
Okay.
go into planning mode. If
I
you
see.
use cowork right now, you get 100x usage, so
Hmm.
you can't blow past it. So
Yeah,
the other thing is with cowork, it has access to your local files where chat is sandboxed. So you're not going to be able
Yeah.
to. It will.
That's
You're
why
going to
I've
say
always been going back to code because I was trying to,
yeah
yeah, like organize
because you want
things.
access to your files. Cowork
And
will
then,
do it. Yeah.
yeah, and it's because I've got my SSD hooked up and it's like, it's so much more efficient because I was trying to go to cowork because I thought it might save, but it was really annoying actually. Couldn't do much.